Alright, now we're going to learn to represent each pattern or situation with a numeric sequence. That's our instructions, okay? So I think you guys are going to like this one. I think you guys will think it's more basic and simple than some of the other lessons we've done. Let's read number 7. Jessica is investigating her family tree by researching each generation or sets of parents. She learns all she can about the first 4 generations, which include her 2 parents, her grandparents, her great-grandparents, and her great-great-grandparents. Represent the number of parents in each of the 6 generations as a numeric sequence. Okay, so in order to do this one, I want to draw a picture. So Jessica has 2 parents, okay? That's her mom and her dad, I guess. And then each of those 2 come from a mom and a dad also. And then each of those people also come from a mom and a dad. Okay, so I've just listed out 3 generations. The first generation, let me highlight it right here. How many dots do you see? How many people are in there? 2 dots, 2 people. So I'm going to put 2 comma. Let's do the next generation, okay? I'll do that one in green. So the next generation's over here. This is her grandparents. How many grandparents does she have? 2 from her mom, 2 from her dad. So 4 total. So I'm going to write the number 4, comma, and that represents that second generation. Now let's go on to the third generation. Okay, that's over here. These are her great-grandparents. And so how many do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 great-grandparents. And so that's why we're listing it as 8 over here. Now it's going to get a lot harder to draw these dots, but I want you to notice the pattern here. Because everybody's got 2 parents, biologically I mean, it's multiplied by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So to continue this pattern, what do you think we have to do? Same thing, multiply by 2, because those 8 people also have 2 parents. So 8 times 2 is 16. And then we still keep the pattern going, multiply by 2. 16 times 2, 32. And one more time, multiply by 2, 32 times 2, 64. And now we've listed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 generations. And that's what they asked of us. So that's it. You just list out the numbers. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, I'll get you guys started for number 8. And then I'll let you guys finish number 8, and then we'll come back together, see if you got it right. Let's read it together. Al's house of eggs, what? Eggs and that, I don't know how to read that, makes omelets. Al begins each day with 150 eggs to make his famous Western omelets. After making 1 omelet, he has 144 eggs left. After making 2 omelets, he has 138 omelets left. After making 3 omelets, he has 132 eggs left. Represent the number of eggs left after Al makes each of the first 5 omelets as a numeric sequence. So we want 5 numbers total. Let's start out with the first number, which is 150. Whoa. There you go, 150. First number. Next number. After making 1 omelet, he has 144 eggs left. After making 2 omelets, he has 138 eggs left. And after making 3 omelets, he has 132 eggs left. So what is the pattern here? What are we doing every single time? I'll let you guys think about it. So we're going to pause the video now. You guys are going to think about it and see if you can get that last number. All right, video unpaused. Hopefully you guys found the pattern. And that pattern was that every single time we're subtracting 6. So it looks like he uses 6 eggs to make an omelet. So 132 minus 6 will give us our final number of 126. Let me put a comma there. Okay, so now that we've listed 5 numbers, we did it. We listed the first 5 numbers as a numeric sequence. So for the rest of these problems, I want you to work on it on your own, and if you have any questions, make sure you ask, because I'm not a mind reader, but I want to be able to help you. Okay, so good luck.